How to find Outlook QR code. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and then open outlook.live.com. After that, over here in this navigation panel, you will see a gear option. Simply click on it. After that, go to account. Now, you will see these options right over here. What you will have to do is go to mobile devices. Now, in order to get a QR code for your mobile device or in order to sign in with a QR code easily, here you get an option of Get the Outlook app. Simply click on it and now you will see this QR code right here. Now, if you scan it, it will directly lead you to signed in account of your Outlook. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.